Wakobecha, you are welcome. Ukoko Uyo no Urobo online tutorials. Oro here, singular. Ero here, plural. Onana erome, these are my ears. Ero na miave, I'm feeling pain on my ears. The ero vioto, listen carefully. Joboterowe, touch your ears. Erowe diri, your ears are blocked. Erowe wa tutu no mamo, your ears is very small. Ukoko Uyo no Urobo Facebook group, join us. Follow us on Instagram, IG, Ukoko Uyo no Urobo. I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume Owumi Ogenenyerobo. Wado.